have the pleasure of joining with us Mr. Vinod Jangir. He is the director and CEO for a company called SSTPL. Welcome, Vinod.
Thanks, Saroj.
Can you talk about what SSTPL is all about?
So, SSTPL works on the IoT platform.
Okay.
So, we have been working on the technologies for the IoT communication platforms
Okay.
to make it cost effective and long range communication system. Working on very low power consumption of battery. So, majorly to be used on smart city platforms and the sensors, meters, street lights, all those
Okay.
smart city projects.
I see.
So it's the product line is like that. It's scaling up like a biggest market coming up in the $3 trillion market value coming up by 2020.
Okay.
This is the opportunity which we have.
I see. So what are the product lines that you have within the smart city portfolio?
So smart city portfolio, we have the smart street light system. The street light has been made intelligent. They can be remotely communicated with their servers. They can sense who's coming, dimming. Then we have smart parking systems. So the parking can be allocated basis. The availability of parking. So sensor takes the availability of parking slot, send it back to the center. Center allots the incoming vehicles.
Okay.
Then we have the smart sensors for the environmental control. So if a city is in hazardous status in terms of gases, the pollution levels, we can tell them, we can take measures also if something needs to be done on that part. We also will have the smart metering system, water meter, so there is no loss of water. So this water meter is having smart flow meters, sensors also. So if there is a leakage of water, it can also be controlled. Then we also have related solution, smart energy meters.
Okay.
So it can connect with the smart grid. Smart grid will take action basis the consumption of the meter particular consumers. It can automate overall feeder system, the transmission system. It make more comfortable and affordable in terms of cost operation as well as supply chain management of power supply.
I see.
Yes.
Okay. So essentially, if you talk about, so are these what? Are these your technologies which are which involves the in-house R&D kind of a thing, or how many of these technologies are patented? So what is the status of all these?
So we these all are R&D developed by ourselves only, but we feel that the technology will be used for everybody. So we are sharing our use cases with all the customers. We are collaborating with the customers. So we are not putting a patent so high. We are collaborating to make the business bigger and faster.
Okay.
So we are not putting a patent as of now.
I see. You haven't applied for any kind of patent?
Nothing, because we want to make it usable for everybody. So we are working with all the collaborators who want to work with us.
Okay.
So the big companies like Havells, Philips, they are
Havells.
So they are working with us. So we have signed the agreements with them. They are sharing their details.
So technology transfer is
it is
something
happening.
which, you guys are open
It
with.
should be like that only.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will not come up large way.
I see. Mass level adoption will not.
Yeah. It will take time. Actually.
Okay. So when you talk about smart city, so do you have any success stories?
Yes, we have wins in smart street light systems. We have wins in smart water meter systems. We have deployed parking sensors also. We have also done smart energy system also, though they are on the testing phase with the authorities as of now.
I see.
And beyond that, we installed many places the sensors also, which are long battery life. Like the parking system which you're talking about works with the 5 years of battery life. So
Okay.
you take a sensor and you forget it. 5 years, it will be giving you the parking system allotment.
Okay.
So those kind of products we have developed. It is a win story for us.
Okay. So any names that you would want to share with us?
Yeah. So I just shared the street light Havells. Havells, we have done it for Havells.
Any state level project or a smart city project?
So we are not doing directly with the governments. We are doing with the system integrators only. We are
Okay.
working as a OEM.
I see.
We are working as a OEM, and
So any of the smart cities where your product is
so
being
it's Belagavi exact name.
Belagavi.
Yes,
Okay.
it is used there. Orissa it is used.
Under smart city.
Yes, yes. Smart
Okay.
city.
Okay.
And beyond the smart city, the products are also there.
Mhm.
So it's not we are limited only to smart city,
Mhm.
but as of now, the traction is coming from smart city.
I see.
So it is like that. So there are retail customers also, the small customers also,
Mhm.
which are using for water level management,
Okay.
waste level management. You
Mhm.
know, so there is a garbage bin. We can
Mhm.
tell the what is the level of garbage.
I see.
We can automate it, and these all battery operated, long battery life devices,
Okay.
wireless.
Okay.
So our technology is like that. We can communicate over a 5 kilometer with our small tiny devices.
I see.
So it makes very economic to use those devices in terms of implementation as well as the operation.
I
Because
see.
operation, the cost is very less in terms of power.
Mhm.
Cost is also less in terms of overall hardware. The
Mhm.
hardware size is very less. Takes
Mhm.
very tiny space. So if you look at that aspect also, we are scaling up with a low cost.
Okay.
So these are the USPs for us.
I see. And how do you see IoT playing a role for the expansion of your company or the products going forward?
Yes, so IoT, we are a IoT company only. We started with the vision of coming up the one of the few best IoT companies in India. So we have the complete ecosystem from the hardware to the network ecosystem, the network management systems, as well as the application systems. So we are putting in very hard, and we have been invested by a Hong Kong-based company also
Okay.
for the further scaling up of the operations in terms of network enhancement. So this is a win for us actually. So we have a FDI
Okay.
with us.
Okay, wonderful. So where do we see your company moving forward, let's say 2 or 5 years from now?
So over 5 years from here, so we are started in 2015, and in coming 5 years we are expecting somewhere 1,000 crores.
Absolutely.
This kind of market is there. So we are looking at that space.
So are you present pan India? Do you have a international presence also? How is it?
No, we don't have international presence. The customers are there,
Huh.
which are looking at the association. The large customers from the South Asian side, Southeast Asia side, from Thailand, from Malaysia, Indonesia, even the Sri Lankan people are also there. But the presence, if we talk about nationally we are present already in 9 cities with our services, which is pay-per-use services.
I see.
And going beyond, we are targeting 95 smart cities of India.
Okay.
So having our
That's a pretty
complete presence.
impressive
Yes.
goal of yours, and we wish you all the best. Thank you, Mr. Vinod. for talking.
Thank you very much, sir.